Mixeasy. I have two products that I have never tried before from Mixeasy. Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and today we're going to be talking about Mixeasy. I have two products that I have never tried before from Mixeasy. They reached out to me and they wanted me to try their products out and give you guys my honest review. So that's what I'm doing. I'm giving you my honest review, and I'm going to be reviewing these all weekend long and giving you my review from Friday to Monday. And first of all, let me go over the products. They have so many different products on their website. Like, first of all, I got the eye cream, and then I got the hair mask. Now what they do is you can customize your products. It's simple. I'll put it here on the screen. You can go through and you can customize the products just like this. Mixeasy.com. I'm going to show you step by step on how you do this. I went to face, and then I'm going to go to eye cream. I have dry skin, so I'm selecting dry skin. And then you get to add up to 5 natural ingredients. You see the ingredients I am choosing right here. Then you just click next. You can add your formula name. You can name it whatever you want. I decided to name mine MzPatriciaAnn. And you just click add to cart. Once you get to your cart, you do the same thing for the hair. If you use code Patricia, P-A-T-R-I-C-I-A, you can save 15% off. You don't want to miss out. Save you some money, honey. 15% off. Okay, so I'm going to try out the eye cream as we're talking. And I'm going to give you my honest review because I have not even opened these yet. That is all the footage I have, and we're recording live right now for you guys to get my honest review. Okay, this is a product that I customized with my own formula, and first of all, we're going to put a little bit right here. Wait, now this is a, I didn't know, did I have to turn it or something? Okay, there has to be a lock. There is a lock. There was a lock. Okay, guys, first of all, I had it like this. You have to turn that knob around like that, the top of it, to get to work. So it does have a lock-in feature, so you don't waste product, which is good. It smells good. It smells like... Okay, so first of all, we're going to put it underneath our eye, right here, like so. Just a little tap underneath their eye cream. Now your girl is 23 weeks pregnant now. Can you tell? You probably can tell. I'm a lot more puffier. Your girl is a lot more fuller in her face, and I definitely needed eye cream. I needed something to help with these bags is bad and the puffiness. So hopefully this works. Now I have one little, you know, I don't know. Would you say it is a disappointment? Not really, but it is kind of like an really bummer kind of feeling, you know? Right here it says unique formula, and it was supposed to say MzPatriciaAnn, but it does say MzPatriciaAnn. If you look right in here, MzPatriciaAnn is right in here. So I was kind of looking forward to it being on here, but it wasn't. So, I mean, no big deal. I do have a good sized product at least. Now for the hair cream, we're going to try it as well. Opening it up for the first time. Everything is sealed very well. I love that. These are vegan and cruelty-free products, so keep that in mind. And look at the product. Oh, did you see that? It is very creamy, huh? I was thinking it was going to be I was thinking this product was going to be ooh, it smells good. Okay, so we're not going to waste the product, but the product itself is very creamy. It's not like a solid, if I would say that. Like most creams, it's going to be easy to apply. We'll give it that. It will definitely be easy to apply. Okay. So we're going to use a product that we don't want to waste. And I want to put it on the ends of my hair because I'm not ready to take a shower yet. And we're going to see how that goes through the day, because I do not wash my hair every day. Your girl is... It smells really good. It smells really, really good. I'm going to put a little bit more product. smells really, really good. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and this is Friday. I got the products in today. I'm going to give you my full weekend review. And you're going to see me trying it each day for the weekend. So you're going to have today's Friday. You're going to see Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And Monday we'll go over the results and see. You know, we should see some kind of results within, you know, over the weekend. So here we go. Okay guys, today is Monday and today you get the results that I have seen by using my Mixeasy hair mask and my Mixeasy eye cream. Let's go over the eye cream first. I didn't really notice a extremely strong scent to the eye cream itself. I felt like it could have had more of a scent to it. Maybe it's the ingredients I picked that didn't bring out the scent, you know, bring it out, boost it. So that could have been on me. So make sure when you select your ingredients and stuff, you select something that smells fragrancy, you know, and all that stuff. Make sure you pick something that has, you know, a strong fragrance to it, because mine just didn't. But overall, I felt like my skin is a lot more smoother, and I feel like my eyes overall I'm pregnant and I have that look. I used to have that glow. I used to have that glow before I got to like 20 weeks. But anyway, I feel like it brought the glow back, and I feel like the product itself is a really good product. It goes on, you know, smooth. It's creamy, and it's not sticky. It's not, you know, it's not that sticky feeling you get afterwards. And I usually do it in the mornings, and then I done it in the evening sometimes. So I recommend, if you're going to do, you know, add to your morning routine or add to your nightly routine. So I'm going to continue using this product and let you guys know the results I see, like maybe like a month from now. So I'll do a touch-up video in about a month, letting you know about the eye cream from Mixeasy. But as of right now, using it for the weekend, I personally like it. I do like it. But I feel like the eye cream, you know, itself is a pretty good product. However, it's a little pricey. But if you're looking for, you know, a really good eye cream to add to your morning or nightly routine, I would recommend using Mixeasy, trying it out. I do have a discount code right here across the screen. Use my discount code. If you use my code Patricia, you get 15% off. So you want to take advantage of that. Use my code. Save you some money, honey. You know, I'm all about saving you some money. So we're going to move on to the hair mask. The hair mask, as you know, I have thick, very thick hair. It's got thicker since I've been pregnant, and my hair is usually all over the place, and it's just a disaster. I just kind of throw it up, and in all honesty, I literally have the same hair routine like every day. But since I've been using this hair mask, I feel like my hair is a lot more, look at this, it's not so frizzy. It smells really good, because like, let's be honest. This thick hair girls out there, we stick together. We're going to be honest. We probably wash our hair once a week. I wash my hair once a week. So, with my hair being so thick, it naturally just eats product up. It just eats it up. But with the Mixeasy, it does take a little product instead of using a big gob of product. I can get by using a little bit of product on my hair and seeing the same results as if I used a great big gob of product. So, and plus it smells really good. Though this product the ingredients I added to this, I must have done really good. Not to toot my own horn, but I must have done really good because it smells delicious. Like, I literally want to eat it. It smells so good. So I wish I could let you smell it, but maybe in the near future they'll have something where, you know, I can put it up to the screen and you can get a whiff of it. But as of right now, you get to take my word on it. It smells good. It smells so good. So I'm very happy, very pleased with my products from Mixeasy. I do recommend trying it out if you haven't tried it out. Again, Mixeasy sent me these products to try out for you guys, give you my honest review. My honest review is try them out. Try these products out. I mean, what do you got to lose? You got a discount code, and it's worth trying. And I have noticed that my makeup. You see my eyebrows? I have just been doing my eyebrows lately, but the other day we actually went out and we had like a little date night, and I started applying my makeup. It was like Saturday. I applied my makeup. I noticed when I put my eye cream on, it helped my makeup go on even smoother. So it could be used as an eye primer too. So it could be an eye primer. And again, I'm going to give you some more information here at the end of this video, but I do want to give a huge shout out to Mixeasy for letting me try your products. I really, really enjoyed the whole weekend trying these products out and giving you guys my honest review. So that's my honest review, guys, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye!